Hi, welcome to Charismindful. I'm Dr. Amy Miltich.
I am Matthew Hill, and we have Honey.
So, this is the next segment in our series on potential trauma and trauma factors that set the stage for lasting trauma in the middle of this pandemic. And in this segment, we're talking about learning how to live in the moment. So, when we set the potential for trauma is when we feel like time has stopped and we lose that sense of time, and or we feel like things are going to go on forever and they're never going to end. So I've, looking in social media, I see people kind of like, we don't know when this is going to end. I don't know what day it is. And that kind of situation can set the stage for trauma.
Every day feels like the movie Groundhog Day with Bill Murray, where it's just a repeat of the day because there's no routine. You don't have Fridays for pizza day, you don't have Wednesdays for spaghetti. Every day just kind of feels like Blur's Day because they're all feeling the same. Pretty normal.
And you feel like you're stuck in a loop that you cannot get out of. Yeah. And as human beings, we're designed to evolve and move forward. So to be stuck in a loop becomes very frustrating and very stressful.
Absolutely. Sets us up for trauma. And the key here is to realize that even if it doesn't feel like it, that each new moment is actually a different moment. It may not feel like it because you're doing the same activities, but each one holds something new with promise that can be different than the last 10 minutes ago.
Absolutely. And so, one of the ways to work on that is what we call mindfulness. You can also meditate, and we'll put a clip on our website and in the
Absolutely.
bio wherever our producer will do that um, on meditation and how to do that. But mindfulness is something you can do to just tune into the moment and tune into your body and kind of check yourself. How am I feeling? What is my breath like? What are the emotions running through my body? Do I feel tense? Do I feel calm? And if you can do that for even 30 seconds, which doesn't sound like a long time, but to tune everything out and tune into yourself, it feels like you've been doing it forever. But if you can do that just for a short time, like I say, 30 seconds, if you can do a minute, great. Start with 30 seconds if you need to. If you can do that, you'll notice that when you come out of it, it has changed. The moment has changed and you feel differently. So even if you feel like you're stuck in the loop, you've moved on from that loop.
Exactly.
So we will talk about that more, but don't feel like you're stuck in the Groundhog Day loop. Thanks for watching today's video.
We hope that it helped you.
If you want to see more of us, don't forget to subscribe and then click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a single video.
Check out our website, charismindful.net, and follow social medias in the descriptions below.
And if you have any questions, leave us a comment.
See you in the next one. Bye.